In an inflationary market, the best high-yield investments are essential to protect and grow your wealth. With inflation making everyday goods more expensive, it's crucial to ensure that your money works as hard as possible for you. But with so many options out there, it can feel overwhelming to know where to turn. Whether you're looking for short-term or long-term solutions, I'll walk you through some of the best high-yield options that are tailored to your needs and why gold IRAs should be at the top of your list. Before we dive in, if you're serious about protecting your wealth in the next 2 weeks, I highly recommend clicking the first link in the description for a free gold IRA guide. Thousands of Americans are using this strategy to secure their savings in times like these. It's a smart move, and I'll explain more about why gold IRAs can be a great hedge against inflation as we go. Now let's talk about some other high-yield investments in an inflationary market. One popular option is dividend-paying stocks. While they may offer solid returns, they also come with risk, especially in volatile markets. As inflation increases, the value of these stocks may fluctuate, and you'll want to ensure that they're part of a balanced portfolio. Bonds, too, might seem like a safe option, but with rising inflation, their fixed returns can lose value over time. Treasury inflation-protected securities, TIPS, offer some protection, but don't always beat inflation as effectively as other investments. Real estate has long been a go-to for many high-yield investors. With property values increasing over time and rental yields offering passive income, real estate can be a solid inflation hedge. However, it requires a significant initial investment, and managing properties can become tedious, especially if you're already retired or looking for a simpler solution, but none of these investment options are as reliable and stress-free as a gold IRA. When it comes to high-yield investments in an inflationary market, gold IRAs shine. Why? Because gold has historically held its value during times of economic uncertainty. Unlike stocks or bonds, the value of gold tends to rise when inflation takes off. And with a gold IRA, you're not just holding physical gold, you're protecting your entire retirement savings in a way that secures your wealth for the long term. Now let me address why many people are still missing out on the power of gold IRAs. The simple truth is, most retirement portfolios are still too heavily invested in stocks and bonds, which leave you vulnerable to inflation. If you're holding money in traditional IRAs or 401ks without a hedge against inflation, you could be losing purchasing power every single year. So, what's the best way to ensure that your retirement portfolio keeps up with inflation? It's by rolling over part or all of your retirement savings into a gold IRA. This simple move can protect you from the volatile swings of the stock market and keep your wealth safe from inflation. If you're someone with $100K or more in your IRA or 401k, or even up to $5 million in savings, this could be the ideal next step to safeguard your wealth. The great thing about gold IRAs is that they are tax advantaged, just like your traditional retirement accounts. This means you get the benefits of tax-deferred growth while holding tangible assets that tend to perform well during inflationary periods. It's a win-win. You get stability, growth, and peace of mind, knowing your wealth is secure. So, if you're looking for the best high-yield investment options in an inflationary market, don't just settle for stocks, bonds, or real estate. Consider the power of a gold IRA to not only preserve your wealth, but potentially increase it over time, especially as inflation continues to affect the economy. If you're ready to learn more about how a gold IRA can help you protect your wealth, click the first link in the description for a free gold IRA guide. This guide is perfect for American retirees who have at least $100K or more in their IRA or 401k, or even 5Men Plus in savings. Protect your retirement and take the necessary steps today to secure your future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.